bit sore?
Yeah, a little bit.
Ooh, this area is a bit more dysfunctional last time. You know what, deadlifts at the moment, are you?
Yeah.
Can we bring the arms a bit further? Yeah, that's good. Wow. Can we turn the head to this side? And let's turn to the other way. Cool. This one. Look down again. Gonna release the muscle first. A little bit sore as well, this one.
Yeah.
Can you take it?
Yeah.
You let me know if it's too much, okay? Yeah. This one is okay to push through. Just think of it as like reps, the gym.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay, let's start with this one here. Can we take a deep breath in? Yep. And breath out. You okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep working on this one here. of the upper the back workouts, upper back workouts.
Yeah.
You're actually using a lot of this one, so there's an imbalance. I can see
Yeah.
that it's working harder on this side, huh?
Yeah, yeah. I've always noticed it as well.
Try this. Okay, let me breathe in again. Yes, and out. Even like can we open it now? Bigger and close. Hold up and close. Okay. We're gonna push the left jaw. It's gonna be a little bit sore as well, just like the one in the glutes just now. Okay? You okay?
Yeah.
I'm torturing you today. Huh?
You are.
Let's go over this side. We're gonna use the activator instead because I think you want to do it better. It's gonna be much lighter than what we just did. Good. Open again. There. Now if I pull this joint downwards, your lower back, am I hurting you?
No.
This one's okay too?
Yeah.
It's not painful, it just feels a bit strange, right?
Yeah.
Let's bring this arm. Hip. Turning a bit less. Perfect. My goodness. Looking down. Can we go up to the sky? A little higher. Let's get that back there. Right arm first. Yeah. The other way. Good, bad. Let's do this one. Good. This one here. Let's compare these two again. Let's do this one here. So fully relax the shoulder. Okay, that's good. That's the one. This is now. So last session, in assessment, your joints feel like this. You know that? Yeah. So it's not good because as it gets worse, it starts to affect your day-to-day life. So in your case, the asymmetry, so you feel like you're using one side of the body more than the other. We've done 2 adjustments consecutively, so 1, 2, so you can feel that it's much looser than here.
Okay. Yeah.
There is still more work to do.
Yeah.
Ideally, you want to get it to as good as possible.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
Let's do that one. At the moment, it's best to keep it to 1 week
Yeah.
because there's still work to do there.
Yeah.
As close to 1 week as possible. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we aim to get around that. Then once it goes to this tension, then we have confidence we start to push the front. Okay.